Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you tap on the profile icon, located in the bottom right corner of the screen, to access your profile page, it is important to note that you must have a business account on TikTok to access the TikTok Shop feature. Ensure that you are logged into a business account. Before proceeding, from here, click the right corner of the profile page. To open settings, click on Settings and Privacy section. After tap on the option for account, this will take you to a page where you can manage various account preferences. On the account settings page, look for the option Switch to Personal Account. Tap on this option. To switch to your account type from business to personal, TikTok will likely to prompt you with confirmation message informing you that switching to a personal account will remove certain business to account features, including the TikTok Shop from your profile. If you're sure, if you want to remove the TikTok Shop feature, tap on Switch anyway. Once you completed the switch to a personal account, TikTok will remove the TikTok Shop feature from your profile, along with any other business-related functionalities. And that's it for this video. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.